Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY paper spiderweb. You only need 2 items for this. You just need a plain sheet of printer paper and scissors. Let's get to it. For the first fold, you want to fold the top edge to the side edge just like this, and make sure you get the edges as straight as possible, aligned together. I'm going to use my bone folder, which you can find on my Amazon shop. It really helps to make sharper creases. After the first fold, you want to trim off the excess paper, which is what I'm about to do right now. You want to start this spider web with a square sheet of paper, so you want to trim this excess where I made this crease. I'm going to be using my straight cutter to trim off the excess. Once the square has been made, we're going to use the crease that we already made, and you're going to fold along that crease. Fold your triangle in half, just like this. And then fold it in half again. This next part afterwards is going to be the design of the spider web. You may need to pause the video so that you can see the design, but the design is going to look like this. Just so there's no confusion on where to cut, I wrote the word cut in the areas where the pieces of paper need to be cut off. So the best way that you can make sure that you get super clean cuts is you want to make sure that the paper doesn't move around a lot whenever you make the cuts, because the scissors are going to be pushing through the paper and it's going to make the paper move around. So best practice is to make sure that the edges that you folded stay together and aligned and as straight as possible whenever you make the cuts. So once all of the excess paper is cut off, you want to very carefully open it up. And usually I like to open it up from the top just because I feel like it's a little bit easier. And then just make sure you don't rip it whenever it opens up, and you should have your own spider web. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. Like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks.